as long as we don't understand it, will be easy prey for wrong ways that will cost a fortune and will bring no improvement. Retail is an excellent example for it. Let me take one part of retail, supermarkets. Actually, supermarkets are those places that you can have the best base for a good forecast. Why? Every single SKU, every single product, a supermarket sells every day more than 1 unit. The quantities are relatively big. This is not the case in other type of retail. For example, if you are in clothes, then you might have a type of cloth that you don't sell even 1 unit in a day. If you are in jewelry, every SKU is not sold more than 1 a day. As a matter of fact, you are lucky if you are selling 1 a week. So in supermarket, that's the best knowledge exists. More than that, in supermarkets, most products are stable. What I mean, today we sell tomatoes. A year ago, we sold the same type of tomatoes. And also 10 years ago, we sold the same type of tomatoes. So we know how much our clientele likes tomatoes. What about consumer goods electronics? Today we sell a PC. Yes, we sold a year ago PC, not the same PC. So we don't know much. And if you are in fashion good, who knows what the woman will like tomorrow? Especially when the audience are women and the clients are women. Then you, by definition, you don't know what they want tomorrow. Sorry. Take supermarkets. There was a survey, big survey done in the United States on all, not all, but major amounts of supermarkets in the United States. And this survey was checking how many shortages exist in a supermarket. What is the meaning of shortage? Here is an SKU that the supermarket decide to hold. If you are going at a given point in time to the supermarket and check the shelf, do you have 0 on the shelf? If you have 0, this means a shortage. Is it understood? Yes? And the question was, what percent of the SKUs that a supermarket decided to hold, what percent is shortages? 0 on the shelf. And the number was 9%. Hello. This is in the best environment that you can know the forecast. 9% was missing, for whatever reason. But the interesting thing is that exactly the same survey was done 20 years ago on the supermarkets on the US. Now you know very well what investments we have put in the last 20 years. 20 years ago, there wasn't a single supermarket that had a computer in the store. The systems, if there was any, it was only in headquarters. Today, there isn't a single supermarket in the US that doesn't have computers. All the data is captured real time. All the data is available real time to everybody in the shop. How much it cost? A fortune. to put all these systems in place. How much did it help? Let's see. What were the shortages 20 years ago in the supermarkets? And the answer is 9%. Zero improvement. Isn't it a big enough lesson? Isn't it enough for us to understand that we have to use our brains to find out? And if we use technology without using our brains, it will help only to the computer companies? Computers are a big help if you know how to use them. Computers are total waste if you don't. And having the data without having the right concept does not help at all. So you do know all the data, and you still don't know what to do. Ladies and gentlemen, Japan is different in many, many aspects, not in these aspects. You are exactly the same like the rest of the world. Fascination with technology. Let's have more technology. Does it help? Who cares? Yes, we care. We should care.